What's up, traders? It's your boy Lord Bay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, sir. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing a day in my life, and I'll also add like a bonus chart analysis of GBP JPY, right? So yeah, man, if it's your first time on my channel, please don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that post notification bell so that you get notified next time I drop. The light is busting down. So guys, I just woke up today, and basically what's going on is it was my dad's birthday last weekend. Actually, we actually had a party at the house for him last weekend, but this weekend we just decided that let's just surprise him, take him on a young vacation. We actually in Mpumalanga, it's in South Africa. So we just thought, let's just surprise him, take him on a surprise vacation, you know. And yeah, it's vibes, man, vibes. So within the video, in this video, I think I'm going to take you guys. The water is cold. Cold. So I think in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the house that we're in, right? Also give you like a house tour. And guys, you know me and the jungle, right? We are in the jungle. We are in the jungle. There's wild animals all around this property, and yeah, man, I will be showing you guys a house tour. And yeah, man, we are going to be talking about GBP JPY, guys, because I feel like there's a big move coming on GBP JPY that we must anticipate. And I'll also be showing you a trade that myself and the team are in right now. I'll obviously send it in the VIP channel, but I will be sharing it for free with you guys because it hasn't really moved, you know. Hasn't really moved. So yeah, guys. Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, basically, guys, just a short story, right? I feel like this year I haven't been dropping as much as I should, and it's honestly because I have been working on a lot of things, right? I've been working on a lot of things regarding trading, obviously, and regarding stuff that I can like valuable stuff I can offer you guys, you know. So please don't feel like I'm neglecting you guys. I try my best, guys. I upload like maybe 3 to 4 times a week. I know my lowest weeks I upload like maybe twice a week, you know. So please just bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to work on something that's going to be very valuable for you guys. I will be announcing it real soon. So yeah, man, back to the video. So guys, in the next segment I will be showing you guys a little house tour of where we are, how the house looks, the rooms, etc. Then I will be giving you guys a market analysis of GBP JPY. Yes, sir.
Oh, look at me, I'm so grown. Who's this handsome guy? Ooh, look, buddy, a baby lizard. Buddy, did you see that baby gecko?
I didn't.
It was like so small.
So guys, as you can see, we are on the GBP JPY chart on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we have caught a beautiful 217 pips. Actually, it was a whole number. It was 230 pips. As you can see on the right, here's proof that we actually took the trade. So I actually gave the signal out into my VIP signal group. If you want to join the VIP signal group, the link to my free Telegram channel is in the description, and then obviously you'll contact me for the VIP channel if you wish to. Um, so guys, uh, I just want to show you guys how I caught this move, and most importantly, what you need to look forward to when it comes to GBP JPY in the future, because I feel like there is going to be a very, very big move that's forming right now. So I just want you guys to take advantage of this, right? So, guys, let me show you this real quick. Actually, let me not do the replay tool because I'm going to carry on from where the market is right now. What you guys need to anticipate, right? So as you guys know, we always start analyzing on the daily time frame, right? And on the daily time frame, we are literally just looking for the overall direction, which is what? Which is a uptrend because we are forming higher highs and higher lows. But obviously here we formed a double top, and that's why we sold, right? Cool. So on the daily time frame, we can conclude that we had a double top. That's why we sold. But now on the 4 hour time frame, guys, this is where the juice happens, and this is where I want you guys to concentrate because this move that's coming here is going to be a big one, and it can change your life, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, we are going to introduce what the trend lines and our levels, right? So as you can see, we have the first touch here, we have the second touch here. And then you can just drag it like this. And then you can see that we had a break here. This market was obviously in a bull run, right? It was a bullish market until it broke out of our bullish trend line, and then it came back to retest. And that's another reason why we sold, right? But now I want you to look at this, guys. I want you to look at this. On this 4 hour time frame, guys, you literally have to start here on the floor, on the floor of this whole setup, right? This is literally, guys, what I'm seeing. I am literally seeing GBP JPY fall until here, guys. If I had held this trade until here, this is literally 500 pips that I want you guys to catch, right? So I am going to this is the setup that I'm going to be looking for in the coming week, and I want you guys to look at it. So let's carry on. So once I have found my floor, this is obviously going to be my overall target for GBP JPY, right? So let us find our levels here. We're just going to start by finding our levels. We can see that this is our most top level right here, right? This is where we had our double top, right? So we can start with that. We can see that, okay, even here we have a level. That is why this is the level that pushed GBP JPY up a little bit here, but the overall movement is still on the downside, right? So we can look for more areas. You can see that this is also an area here. All right. There's also an area here. And yeah, we don't want to draw too many areas. So now what we're literally going to wait for, guys, is GBP JPY to break this level, to come back to retest it. And guys, remember, it has to retest it in a corrective manner, not in an impulsive manner. Otherwise, it's just going to shoot up. It has to correct in a corrective manner. And then we are going to be looking for a shoot downside to break this previous level here that we have, and it needs to come back in a corrective manner for us to capture this whole move, guys. This is the move that I wanted to show you guys that you can literally join me on, right? Right now, we are in profit. Obviously, we took it here with the VIP signal members. Then we went down with it, and then it came back up. But now, what we're waiting for is for the market to come down, retest this level, and then we're going to continue going down with it, right? As easy as that, guys. As easy as that. If you want to go deep in the analysis, we can see that also here. We have a level here, of which this level on the 1 hour time frame is being what? Is being respected. Because look at this, guys. It literally came here and I came back to retest this level. We can see the market going down from here, right? So this is the move that I wanted to show you guys, just give you guys a heads up on, because I feel like this has a very, very big potential to change a lot of people's life, right? change a lot of people's lives. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, guys. Engage with my videos. It really, really helps the channel grow because YouTube will show it to other people, and that's going to obviously make us grow. Until next time, guys, it's your mentor Lord Bay, and I'm signing out.